how to connect Alibaba to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you will be able to integrate and interact both Alibaba and TikTok Shop together. Now these two platforms are really great because in Alibaba, you are able to find amazing products, amazing qualities for amazing prices. Basically, Alibaba is a great source for drop shipping or a source of products. And as you know, in TikTok, their TikTok shop is a really great platform to start selling all kinds of products because in TikTok, it's basically one of the most used platforms out there with a lot of users. So you have a lot of potential for audience, a lot of potential for traffic to see your different products. So selling in TikTok shop through or using Alibaba as a source of products is a really great option. And so in today's video, we will be discussing different ways on how you will be able to make these two platforms interact to each other. So there are three total methods that I am going to be talking about. The first method is through TikTok Shop. The second method is through Shopify, where we will be utilizing Shopify as some sort of a bridge, a third-party bridge, or with Alibaba and TikTok Shop where you connect them manually. And the process with that method is going to be very hard, very manual, very tedious, but that's something that's some sort of a last-minute resort or last-ditch effort. If ever the two methods aren't working, nothing is working for you, but you are desperate to sell products from Alibaba to TikTok Shop. And so let's get right into it. Now, the method for TikTok Shop starts with their apps and services. If you don't know, in TikTok Shop, there's an option called App Store over here on the right side or on the left side. You have one under Apps and Services. Basically, they have an app store where you could download and install different apps that would allow you to have different kinds of interaction, have custom interactions and features. As you can see here, there's all sorts of categories for a specific app. You could have e-commerce management, merchandising, shipping and fulfillment, and customer service. So basically, all apps that you will find here are either to help you with your experience, improve your services, or integrate platforms together. So there is this option, popular platforms. So looking through here, there are all sorts of popular platforms over here that you could see. And you might notice that Alibaba is not part of these options, but you have Shopify over here. Now, I mentioned earlier that you have to connect Shopify, or you could connect Shopify and TikTok together as some sort of a third-party bridge. Although we could try and search here Alibaba in our search bar, there might be some tools or apps that actually allows you to integrate this platform. So as you can see, this platform called Days Store Manager Tools has the ability to allow you to integrate Alibaba and TikTok together. Although it might not be the way or the interaction that you want it to be, it nonetheless allows you to connect TikTok Shop and Alibaba one way or another. But let's discuss the Shopify method. In the Shopify method, basically you're just going to have a bridge between Shopify with TikTok and Alibaba through the apps. In Shopify, you are able to search all sorts of applications. Basically, in Shopify, you will be able to improve your life. Similarly with how I explained it with TikTok Shop, you will be able to search for apps and install it, and it will help you with your experience. And you could connect platforms as well. So we could search Alibaba, which will basically show us apps that would allow us to have Alibaba as a drop shipping platform. You could have this option over here. There's also Sprocket over here. There's all sorts of apps that you could use. So basically, if you install one of these, it's going to ask you to connect your dropshipping or rather your Alibaba account into your Sprocket over here. Sometimes you don't even need to know the account. You don't even need to have an account. All you need to know is the link of your product or the exact product that you want to sell. And through this, you can actually import products from Alibaba. By installing this app, you will be able to see one of its features where you can easily import or export products from Alibaba. As you can see here, product import, where if you select a product here, it will automatically be added to your TikTok Shop product list. Now, assuming you have successfully connecting and installing it, you're then going to search for TikTok Shop, which is also a similar application where you could have a connection. And one of my suggested apps here is the Quick Sync for TikTok Shop. They have a $19 per month, but they have a free trial so that you could check if you are going to be satisfied with their services. And basically, it will allow you to import products from Shopify into your TikTok Shop. So basically, if you were able to set up the other apps, the previous app that I explained properly, if you imported a product from Alibaba into Shopify, it will be registered under the product list. Now, if this application works, you will then also be able to import that same product that has been added onto your product list into TikTok Shop, thus forming the bridge I am talking about. So whatever you add from Alibaba, you have full capacity, full features, full capability to import that into your TikTok Shop as well, which is amazing and really great. Now, to discuss the very manual process, which is also I'm going to explain very quickly, basically you're going to go to Alibaba, look for the product that you want. You're going to remember the name. You're going to download it, download the pictures, get the price, get the variants, get the description, all related information. And you're basically going to manually add it into your new product in TikTok Shop. Yes, it's a very tedious and manual process, and you might even ask, what will you do? What will happen once someone orders from our TikTok Shop and we don't have a connection? We can't handle any syncing orders. So once someone orders from your TikTok Shop, where they buy the product they're trying to sell in Alibaba, basically you're going to get the customer's information, their address, their name, their number, all of those things, and you're basically just going to order it on Alibaba as the user. So Alibaba will deliver it to them, and you will no longer need to do anything. Alibaba will handle the rest. Although this method absolutely works, it will work to a certain extent, but it will be very difficult to manage and maintain, especially if there's a lot of orders being sent to you. But anyway, those are the different methods for connecting Alibaba to TikTok Shop. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.